Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately by selecting a swift forward with deking traits. Make sure your controller is tuned. Hold puck control and approach the defender at about a 45 degrees angle while keeping speed under control. Once in range, tap the right stick backward quickly to initiate the tap back deke. This small, precise input disrupts their timing. Practice the timing in practice mode. Getting the initial tap crisp is the foundation for the rest of the move. Once done with the initial tap back, immediately push the right stick toward the open ice to complete the deke within roughly 3 to 0. 6 seconds. This timing is critical. Make sure to use a slight left stick edge change to sell the fake and misdirect the defender's momentum. Then modulate your speed, either a brief burst forward or a fractional deceleration, to widen the window for the shot or pass. Practice chaining these inputs to build fluidity. You finish by converting the created lane. Take a quick snap or wrist shot if the goalie's square, or make an immediate pass to a trailing teammate. If the defender recovers, counter with a fast spin or quick lateral to regain space. If it fails, make sure to troubleshoot, reduce your approach speed, and adjust the tap-to-complete timing in 0.1 second increments, because most failed attempts come from rushed input or a too steep approach angle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.